Inspired by the successful use of Digital Life Enrichment Application by parrots, we designed some simple games for parrots trained in using touchscreen device to test their sensory and cognitive ability while entertaining them. In this particular work, we designed an application, a simple game, where subjects choose the largest value in a set of 2, 3, or 4. We tested it with one monk parakeet parrot and used it to gather data with 2 subjects of this species. This replicates digitally an analogical scientific experiment from 2008 about the discrimination ability of 3 African grey parrots on discrete and continuous amounts of food through binary questions. At the end of the game, which consists of 5 questions by default, the application comments about the score of the subject, not good, pass, or excellent, and the subject can voluntarily start a new game with the same representation. The application is in large part navigable by the subject to give them agency, which is essential for their well-being. Subjects can choose the display mode they prefer, and they can exit the game at any time in the application or in the physical settings, like going back to their Nest aviary or to other games made available. But up. In the general menu, they can choose which representation they want to see. The first one is called rectangle, is simulating liquid in a recipient, and the subject has to choose the one with the most liquid. The second one is a bit like a dice, representing some points, and the subject has to choose the dice face with the most points. The third one is called heap, and that's the same, similar to the dice face, but with the points brought down like by gravity. No, Lorenzo. And the last one is like a seed of varying size, and the subject has to choose the largest one. In each screen, you can go to settings, which is a page a bit protected. The top page has parameters about how to do the log, and you have the settings about the variable of size. Tranquilo, Lorenzo. The number of values between which to choose, the length of a game, and various parameters like this. No, Lorenzo, what did you do? Up.